If I was Donald J. Trump, what will I do about the weather? I will ban it for good. Viewing you guys from Tampa Bay right now. It is storming. It is storming. Like the whole place. The whole place has big winds. Powerful winds. Look at the ocean. Look at the river. It's hitting so hard. It's pushing me back. The wind is really powerful. This is how the water is right now. The currents, everything is really high. I can't even open my hair right now has super glue converted to it. The wind is really rough. You can't even really see it, but look at the palm trees. Look at the palm trees. Those palm trees. Look how bent that thing is. Look at this whole place. Everywhere. The wind was picking up really bad, but now it calmed down a little bit, and now it's starting to pick up.